Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and resonating with the readings. So let's see what's in store today. The first card has come as the Durga Kalika. So let's see what is the next card that is coming. Okay, Gunatantrika. So today's Kalima cards is your Durga Kalika and the Gunatantrika. So first coming to Durga Kalika, she comes when things need a balance, when there's something which has to be cleared out. Maybe you are in a dilemma, not knowing what to select, not knowing what to do. That is the time she comes. So if this is come, it means whatever is a battle which is taking place in your life, be it personal battle, be it emotional battle, be it office battle, she will help you to understand the situations and she will help you to adapt to the situations. And in turn, what will happen is you will gain an insight, and then you will be able to handle the situation in a more beautiful way. Since today I feel more of this card as working towards it, I would suggest to wear the color yellow, because sometimes our solar plexus need the balance in order to face the situation, handle the situation, and get or take the decisions which is for the good. So I would suggest to work on color yellow today. And there is a beautiful mantra of this Kalima which you can chant 21 times in the morning when you start. And what you can do is offer her some flower, any red colored flower, keep it in front of her. If you don't have her photo or a statue, what you can do is you can just open your mobile and keep her pic, and just keep the flower and say Om Dam Durgayai Namaha, Om Cream Kalikayai Namaha. I repeat, Om Dam Durgayai Namaha, Om Cream Kalikayai Namaha. Chant that 21 times and start your day. Now coming to the next card, which is the Gunatantrika. As far as I remember, Gunatantrika is related to medicine. It is, we say Guna is our characteristics, and also Gunatantrika Kali is a Kali for medical or medicine. So maybe whatever decisions you're going to take today, she is asking you to heal yourself. She is asking you to heal your body, bring in a detachment. So if this is coming in a reading, whatever is going to happen today, be prepared for it, handle it with the right mindset, and at the same time detach yourself from all the expectations and all the hurt that it is bringing you, so that you will handle it boldly and you will handle it in a very in a very powerful and a fierceful way. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you.